In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Wix account quickly and easily. If you've decided it's time to close your Wix account, maybe because you're moving to another platform or just simplifying your digital life, I'm here to guide you through the process. Before we dive in, make sure you're logged into your Wix account on your preferred web browser. First, navigate to the Wix homepage. Once there, locate and click on your profile icon. This usually sits at the top right corner of the screen. By doing this, you'll open up a drop-down menu. From this menu, look for and click on Account Settings. This link will direct you to your account management page, where you can find various options related to your account. Now, within the account settings, scroll until you find the section labeled Close Your Account. Click on this, and you'll be taken to a specific page designed for account closure. This page is important because it ensures that this decision to delete your account is intentional. Here, you'll see a text field where Wix will ask you to type in the reason for closing your account. Choose the reason that best fits your situation from the options provided. It helps the company understand user decisions and improve their services. Once you've filled that out, the next step is providing your feedback. This isn't mandatory, but it's really valuable to Wix. Your feedback, whether it's about your experiences or the features you wish had been available, provides vital insights to improve future user experiences. Next, for security purposes, Wix will request your account password to confirm your identity before proceeding with account closure. Input your password accurately in the designated field. This is a customary step to ensure the integrity of your request and security of your data. Finally, after all those fields have been completed, there should be a prominent button labeled Close Account. Click that button to finalize the process. Remember, deleting your account is permanent, so you will lose all data, sites, and content associated with it. Take a moment to ensure that this is what you want to do. If you're set, proceed by hitting the Close Account button. After you have confirmed your choice, your account deletion request will be processed. You should receive a confirmation message or email from Wix notifying you that the account closure was successful. Check your inbox for any such email to ensure that everything has been processed as expected. And there you have it. You've successfully gone through the steps required to delete your Wix account. If you have any questions or need clarification on any of the steps, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.